What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. Today's video is all about LifeArt Vision and the lenses that I have in my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Now, these are a third-party company. They're not affiliated with Ray-Ban or Meta. And what's great about the LifeArt Vision lenses is that when you get them, they're fairly inexpensive. Yes, I have gloves so my lenses don't get dirty because I'm gonna be handling lenses. But what's great about the lenses is that they're really fairly inexpensive and they're great for people that have no eye insurance, especially here in America. People that do have eye insurance, but it's not that good because you can get lenses depending upon if you want something, put in them or not in terms of a coating or some kind of prescription or reading glasses. Basically from like 39 bucks up to a little over maybe like 160 bucks total, not per lens, for the set of lenses. So it's not that bad in terms of getting a prescription lens. Now I've taken one of the lenses out and here's what this one looks like. And you can see it's a really good quality lens overall. And these ones specifically are transitional lenses. So they'll change to a different color when you're outside and give you somewhat of a sunglass protection and relaxation for your eyes. But otherwise, you get the option of just getting regular sunglasses or again, the transitional lenses if you want, which is great. And I put 2X lenses in mine, like reading glasses. Now, installation of these is incredibly easy. You basically push outward from the back of the lens from where the nasal passage is pretty much. And then you do that on both sides. And then when you put it back, you kind of do the same thing. You press pretty much all around it and it takes literally seconds to do this. Now here's what it looks like with the transitional lenses outside. You can still see my eye. You can still get a little bit of protection when you're wearing them. You can see like it doesn't make it completely dark as a sunglass does, but it does make it as some protection with it, which is nice. It probably gives it about 60 to 65% darkness versus say a regular sunglass is 100%. Again, what's really nice about these is that indoors, they're completely clear. You can see I have some in my eyes right now, completely clear, no issues with having it be clear at all. And even when you're wearing them outdoors, it seems clear. It's not like when you look through a sunglass where you get these different colors of like blue or red or gray, black color. It's pretty much clear regardless, even again with the transitional lens. Here's what the regular Ray-Ban sunglasses look like if you're just curious. With that, if you wanted to see like how dark the eye looks in it versus when you're just wearing a traditional transitional lens and back and forth. And you can see there is somewhat of a difference in terms of how much you can see the eye and how much you can't, but the darkness is definitely there between the two. Now here's the sunglasses. On the right, you obviously have the Ray-Ban because you have the branding. And then here's the other right one for LifeArt Vision. I'll let you see through it for a second, see if you can notice a difference in terms of lighting. Obviously my camera just adjusted a little bit, but yeah, obviously you're missing the branding, which might be a big deal to a lot of people. And then here's the thickness, the quality, both. Just feeling both, I can't tell a difference just holding them in my hand, I'll be honest with you. And just a little comparison, here are the LifeArt Vision sunglasses. Here you can see you see my eyes at all versus the official Ray-Ban lenses, which are a gradient, but yeah, I think they both look great, honestly, but you're gonna be missing the logo, which if it's a turn off, then, you might want to look elsewhere. But in terms of quality and the way they look, they both look, pretty nice in terms of that. Now, just FYI, if you do buy these, you can get the following, depending what you choose for a prescription or no prescription, but 100% UVA, UVB protection, scratch and impact resistant, anti-reflective coating, optional polarization, photochromatic option, which is the transitional lenses, and blue light filter. And they have a plethora of colors to choose from, including just a clear lens. And then depending upon your prescription, they also have distance, bifocal, progressive, reading, and non-prescription lenses. If you do have a prescription, you can manually enter it. You don't need to show a doctor's note or anything like that. And then you also get to choose what kind of lenses you want in terms of their popular ones, the advanced, the premium, or the standard. And obviously there's different pricings on all of that, and you can see the different statistics next to them. Now they sent them to me for free to review, but after them telling me, hey, we ordered them for you and we shipped them out, I got them in about 4 business days. I have absolutely no problem recommending the LifeArt Vision lenses. Like I said, I put reading glasses in mine and they've been awesome. The transitional works. It takes a few seconds for it to transition from when you're indoors to outdoors so that you get that different view, and there has to be some kind of UV rays that are beaten into them so that they will transition over, otherwise they'll just be clear. Just know that about transitional lenses. But otherwise, they're great. I have no problem at all with them. The quality feels really good and the price is not that bad either. So if you want to pick them up, I'll link them down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.